How to fix DoorDash app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head towards this web page, and then at the top right you will see this search box. Over there type in DoorDash. Now you have to check the server status of this DoorDash app. User reports indicate no current problem at DoorDash. If it indicates no problem, you can head towards next solutions, but if there is problem, you can wait for a few minutes and then try to use this app. Heading towards next solution, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, if you see the option of update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, long press on your DoorDash app. Click on the option of app info. Now at the bottom right corner, you will see the option of clear data. Click on it. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. Click on clear all data. Click on OK. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix DoorDash app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.